Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Sunday Talk episode number 109. In today's episode, as always, I'm gonna go over some of the questions I received from you guys, and I have a powerful code for you today. And also, we're gonna go over cases, document, and email MVC is working on this week for some of you guys who missed the Tuesday update that I do. Before I start today's video, I want to wish you guys a happy Sunday. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully. If you are new here, my name is John. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also U.S. citizens regarding the immigration questions. Sometimes I give advice to newcomers to United States of America so they can stay out of trouble. So let's start with the code that I have for you today, okay? So today's powerful code is coming from Peace Pilgrim. Here's the code. If you realize how powerful your thoughts are, you will never think a negative thought. Again, if you realize how powerful your thoughts are, you will never think a negative thought again. Well, our mind is very powerful. Okay, so that's why it's very important. Whatever you think about something that is positive, because if you think about negative stuff, that will affect you. That will come back to hurt you basically. So always think about something good. Okay, because our thought, our mind is very powerful. Okay, so guys, let's start on with the questions. The first question today will come from Adele Sua. Here is the question. Hi John, thanks for the help. On any idea where I can find a probably sample of the affidavit from friend or family who have an idea about our relationship? Well, thanks for the question. Probably some of you guys don't understand this question. So basically, when you file an I-130 petition for your spouse, they ask for additional document that shows that the marriage actually it's a bona fide marriage. Well, if you have a friend or family member who has a knowledge of your marriage, where that person can write a statement, saying that yeah, he or she has a knowledge of the marriage, of the that the marriage is genuine. So that's what this person is asking for. This person, Adele, want to know if there is a sample of that type of affidavit or statement. Well, you can Google it, but one thing you have to know about that type of affidavit is that the person who's writing the affidavit or the statement has to put his or her full name and address on the form, as well as the date of birth and place of birth. Okay, and then the main reason is to write a statement regarding the knowledge of the marriage. Okay, that person has to write like a detailed statement saying that okay, he or she is has a knowledge of your marriage, that the marriage is genuine, and can provide us some example why he or she thinks the marriage is genuine marriage. So basically that's what the person has to put on the statement. Okay, so guys, let's move to the second question. The second question will come from Ram Tapa. Here's the question. Could you tell me what happens if medical expire before USA visa stamping? Well, one thing you have to know is that when your medical examination expires, the U.S. consulate officer won't be able to, give you a visa. They're going to ask you to renew it, to, do the test again and bring the new result before they can make a decision on your visa. Okay, so let's move to the third question of today's video. This one will come from Nelly Signature Mostel. Here's the question. Hi John, thanks for your update. Wanted to ask how can I add my son's document before interview, cause I gave birth while waiting for interview. Well, congratulations on your new baby. Well, normally what you do, in case the petitioner is a US citizen, where you guys will file for how they call it, consular report of birth abroad, something like that. So you have to, apply for that. So once you apply for everything is approved, well, you can get a U.S. passport for your baby to come to United States of America. And you don't even, I don't think you have to contact NVC in that situation. Or maybe even if you contact them, let them know that okay, you have a baby, you will come with the baby. But since the baby will come with your U.S. passport, it's not really necessary. But in case you are a green card holder, then you have to contact NVC to update your case. They will ask you, the baby's document, like birth certificate and your I-130 approval letter, stuff like that. Okay, so that's what you do. Let's move to the fourth question of today's video. This one will come from Harry Singh. Here's the question. Hi, I'm a U.S. citizen. I applied for my mom I-130 on June 8, 2021, and on June 24, 2021, status has changed to case is being actively reviewed by USCIS. And so, my question: how long time take to get approval? Taxes Service Center. I don't know what Taxes Service Center is, but maybe if you asking about it, like a USCIS Service Center application Service Center. Well, normally for this category, which is on F5 category, I'm sorry, IR5 category. Well, this process normally can take actually it can take 6 months to a year in order for USCIS to approve on your case. Okay, especially if they don't ask for additional documents, so it can take 6 months to a year in order for the case to be approved and move to NVC, National Visa Center. Let's move to the last question of today's video. This one will come from Lagancia. Here's the question. Hey John, I have a K1 case at NVC, but I got married 2 weeks ago. Do I have to contact NVC or USCIS for adjustment status? Thanks for responding. Well, when I received this message, I replied to the person, but the person sent me another actually replied to my message saying that actually the person, his wife is still in her home country, so he went there to get married. So now he wanna know if he has to contact NVC or USCIS to adjust the status. So from what I know, when you file I-129F, which is a fiance visa petition, well, normally the person will get a non-immigrant visa to come to United States of America, and you guys will get married within 90 days. Okay, and then from there the person will adjust his or her status. But this case, the fiance visa is still in process. The I-129F petition is still in process, and you went in to get married with the person. So that person is no longer your fiance. That person now is now your spouse. So for spouse, you have to file I-130 petition. Okay, because fiance visa is a non-immigrant visa. Now we're talking about immigrant visa, which is going to be the visa your wife your wife will get to come to United States of America. So you have to contact USCIS. Okay, and I know at this point you have to file I-130 petition, which is a different petition than the one you file. Okay, because before, what people normally do, people will file the I-130. If it's taking longer, then they will file a fiance petition to bring that person to United States of America to continue the process. But now you're doing the opposite, and now like I said, you have to file another petition. But you contact USCIS for more clarification. Maybe there is something that I don't know that that will help you in this situation. But that's my answer to your question. So guys, like I say at the beginning of this video, we're gonna go over cases documented email NVC is working on this week again. Some of you guys who missed on Tuesday update, well, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on July 16. And as far as document, they are reviewing document they received from you guys on June 8th. And then for email, they are responding to email they receive from you guys on July 3rd, 2021. Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys love and learn something from this one. If you know somebody who might benefit from this video, please share the video with the person. If you are new here, you like what you're seeing, well, click the like button. If you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below this video. Once again, my name is John. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.